Action!
Welcome to the Jackie Fabulous Show. I'm sitting on the set of Illegal Activities with the director, the writer, and the producer of the show. I'm going to do a special edition with him today. And he's going to explain to you guys what's happening to the show, and we have to postpone for a little bit because there was an incident on set. Welcome, Mr. Warmington.
Yes, thank you, Miss Jackie Fabulous.
How are you today?
Well, I'm feeling good.
Oh, I see that you were in a cast on your hands. What happened?
Yeah, well, I was doing a gangster scene yesterday and I had to jump over the couch and I fell.
Oh, really? So you were doing your own stunt?
Yeah.
So that happened. What really happened after you fell? What happened to your arm?
Well, I went outside and some guy was coming up through the bush and they were shooting at me, so I had to shoot at them, but I didn't have my M16, so I had to, it was too much of them, so I had to run back in to get the rest of the guys. Oh. And then when I grabbed the 16 and jumped over the pouch, I think my foot itching the thing.
Oh, so when you were saying some guys, who were the guys that was chasing you? There's guys from the movie?
So Yankee, go and try robbery. Go and try rob the spot over there.
Okay.
So with that, me go outside and buck them up first, and then me have to run back inside and call Corrupt and the rest of the guys to come help because I didn't know if them would come. And me didn't only have my Beretta, I didn't have the 16, so I have to run back.
So when you say Yankee, what are you talking about?
Well, actually, it's a scene in the movie where some Americans go to rob the shutters, you know, and they come through the bush in the backyard and nap a spot one of them, and then you look, it was more of them, and they started shooting, and he had to shoot back, but there was too much of them, so he had to run back inside and get the rest of the guys.
Well, I'm sorry to hear that you got hurt trying to do your stunt. Maybe you need a double next time.
Right, I know, I can't afford to deal with that double, but so it go. I'm just happy that, you know, I'm not talking to anybody else.
Okay, that's good. So did you go to the hospital?
Yeah, last time I got to the hospital.
And what did they say? What's going on?
Oh my God. Them give me one paper, them show me one, them show me broke my elbow and so. And then that was last night. And then today we got the doctor and he told me, so, we have to go get surgery upon the and so.
Wow.
Yeah, broke up bad.
It's worse than I thought.
But it better me elbow broke up now, because when I feel like say you have to jump like a bright breadfruit. Like splash out. Okay. You know, so this man when go around there and I have to come back in real quick. Because we can have a little flashback, flash really quick.
Being behind the house?
Yeah, I felt like I was following him.
Wow.
I think it was when I let my face, I think that part was the most. Because after I didn't really want to finish the scene.
You were still conscious?
Well, I was kind of dizzy when I just got up. But then I realized that I'm not talking about minutes we got to the hospital, but I didn't want to finish the scene. But then I really went to the hospital because of my face.
So, now that you're hurt, how are you going to continue on? Because... Well,
we're not going to, we had a discussion about that and we're not going to wait until my arms get better. So, the rest of guys decided to do the crazy stuff that I was doing.
Oh, the stunt?
But yeah, well, not crazy like me, but they will have to, you know, kind of step up to the thing where as far as I won't be in the movie doing these crazy things that, you know, Napa was gonna do. But
what?
It kind of gets sick, you know.
Okay.
Because now that I have to improvise, I have to work, I have to write in, they get shot and I have to work with it, work on another movie.
Oh, okay. So you're gonna put this as part of the scene now?
Yeah, people won't know I got my arm broken. They'll just think that I got shot in the shootout and yo, when they come back, me I got right now, well, me not gonna tell them.
Okay, I read the script and I noticed that there was sex scenes in the script. How are you gonna go on doing that when you can't even do anything right now? So are you gonna change?
Well, that's a very good question. I'm glad you asked that question. Come on, no woman I know saying the girls have pina colada on the beach at Jamaica. Don't show me looks on there sit there. Remember I said I just the hand broke, the body not broke, yeah? I'm still can broke. So,
what is a buddy? What is a buddy?
No, they would my Jamaican one.
And what is it?
Penis.
Oh, the penis.
Pina colada for the girls.
Okay, we're getting X-rated right now. So let's just calm that down a little bit and get back to basic.
Yeah, because Papa Lova gone some places. So.
Yeah, because you seem like you could take this at a different level.
Yeah, because Papa Lova, you know, I think come out there now.
Oh yeah, he's a different person?
But you know, I think come out there.
Always the character that you play, Napo, and your real self. Is it anything in common? You have anything in common, or you're just totally different from the part you play?
I think I have two things in common. Yeah, man, we kind of tuggy and we're not stupid either. Like we don't go around with trouble with people.
I would say, you seem like you're very determined to continue on. So.
Yeah. Look, for me, my friend might say, oh, when we gonna listen. My next two, then they have to go broke too, and them 2 foot they have to go broke, and them finger.
Wow. Well, you're very
and then when that happened too, I'll improvise on that too.
Why are you so motivated? Why are you so motivated to do this? Continue on with
because bad energy. I try to stop ghetto youth.
Bad energy?
Yeah, bad energy. You know what I mean?
What do you mean by that?
The devil, phobia people, all kind of dirty people, germs people, all kind of them people. The bad energy. Bad energy are bad mind and grudgeful people, and then sitting there, them sitting there. Yes, when you have some bad energy, you know, them things they kind of get up, and you know what I mean? I say, them things that I'm telling you, that's why you have to keep moving. Your things are negative when they sit there up to me. I mean, nothing just happens up.
I'm glad you elaborated that is.
And then, you know, people have to know how them lives set out to, like, how much experiences you have in your life. Perhaps maybe a dream, or how much time you dream about something will come true.
So you really think that something caused these things to happen to you? Or
Yeah.
Like what?
Yeah, like I said, bad energy and bad spirit and everything, man. But true means I conquer. You see me? Means I conquer, me conquer people. Me conquer people in a real life, and I conquer people in my spirit and my dream. When I dream, all in my dream, I conquer people.
Okay. Yeah. All right then. I hope good energy comes your way and positivity comes your way, because it's obvious that you have this ego to continue on with your movie. Yeah. And you're determined and you're motivated by something.
And they did ask no, me do the sex scene in the movie. Me only have one more left.
I passed that.
I
don't want to know.
But I have one more left. But you know, but you asked, or you passed.
But I did ask the question and continue on. I don't want to know. You're okay, because I think you're liable to say whatever comes to your mouth. We don't want to hear that.
No, I just want to tell us that you left and broke my just catch up on the right.
Okay. Lucky for that woman. I'm glad it's not me. Anyway, thank you so much for coming to the Jackie Fabulous show.
Thank you for having me too.
Yes, and you heard it here first. He's going to continue on with the movie. Nothing is going to deter him. Nothing will stop him from continuing on. So thank you again for coming.
And thank you for having me.
Good luck.
Yeah, man. All of the ladies I'm out there, just soon as me look around and say, oh, I feel sorry for me, and I'm good. I'm feeling good. I'm something nice, beautiful, man. So yeah, man. One big up ICTV. Yeah, man. Big up the Jackie Fabulous show. Yeah, man, and big up the movie Illegal Activities, another Jamaican must-see film. Yeah, another Shutter Crew from Atlanta, Georgia. Yeah, big up Corrupt, yeah, man, Bashment, big up Napo, yeah, man, I mean that still, and big up Bandolo, big up some of the extra them in the movie, you know what I mean, I say big up man called Gundar, yeah, man, big up Nadine, Miss Cardina, Susie, yeah, man, I will star them in the movie, you know what I mean, I say, yo, go and shut up the thing, Mr. Crimi. Yeah, man, me like how you do the thing. Just go and criminal it up same way. And yeah, man, one love. And yo, just watch out for the movie. It soon come out and it's gonna slap you, hear that? Yeah. Look, come on, Miss Jackie. Fabulous.
Okay, so I'm sitting here again with one of the cast member of Illegal Activities, Mr. Corrupt. He plays Corrupt on the show. He was actually there yesterday when the incident happened with the other guy. What's his name?
Napo,
because you were there.
Mr. Warren.
Yes. Can you explain to my audience what happened yesterday?
Well, actually what happened was we should have seen before the actual accident, and it was so magnificently realistic. The cameraman wanted to catch a certain part of it again, just that part only. You know, and I never actually saw when he tripped, but I only saw when he was on the ground. You know, dislocated his arm and
Was it scary when you saw that?
Yeah.
You saw the actual. What did you not see? Because you said you didn't see.
Well, actually, I didn't actually see the trip when he hit the ground.
Okay.
But I actually saw that he was on the ground.
Right.
You know, when he first, I was right there, and the first thought in my mind was, oh God, let him be all right. That was the first thought right off my instinct. Let him be all right. You know, and then he got up and he looked a little disorientated. You know, like, you know, and he actually wanted to continue shoot the scene. And he was holding his arm, and he was like this, and then I told him, I said, yo, move your fingers.
So we're actually, because I looked at the back, where actually was he jumping from? Like,
Well, right until you go to the back door, there's a porch there.
right.
And the porch have a little 2 feet railing right there.
And he jumped over it?
So you're supposed to jump over the railing, land, jump on the railing, and jump down into the yard. You know, because these guys in the bushes firing each other. It's a shootout scene.
Okay, all right. And he was doing his own stunt. And he got hurt. That's the producer of Illegal Activities yesterday. It was an incident, an accident rather. And he got really hurt. He broke his arm and he had to do surgery. And so this is one of his cast members that was on site. And he's here to explain to us what really happened and what you think is going to happen now. Because I did an interview with him earlier and he said that he's going to continue to go on with the movie. But he looks like he's in a lot of pain, but he looks like he's determined to get this thing over with. The movie, when I say thing, I mean the movie, Illegal Activities.
Well, on a real deal, that's the energy. You know, the energy is positive, you know, and sometimes with the positive energy, a lot of negative will happen. And as we as people and persons have to be strong, the negative energy come around. Like, you know, that happened right there, right now. It's like, we don't even know, it can't even be a blessing in disguise. I really hope that way, but with a warmer, we are going to go on. We are not going to let this slow us down. It's just going to make us more persistent, you know.
Wonderful.
Because we really believe in what we're doing.
I also understand that you guys were planning on, the crew was planning on going to a party, Soul to Soul. That's an annual event that they keep in Atlanta.
I was so dressed up, man. I tell you, I was like all the women that night. I was clean like a whistle.
Really?
Yeah, well, my jacket cost $4,000. You think it's so?
Wow. Excuse me, bro. Give me some of that dough over here, because I like that green too.
I'm ready to cover up the world that night there.
Oh, really?
That joke.
So what happened while you guys didn't show up? I want to get to the point about this.
Well, we were here contemplating a little bit amongst the photographers and stuff like that. And some things started happening. Some little funny stuff started happening.
Right?
Bottles started turning over and broke and all that crap, and then we get all suspicious and shit.
What do you mean bottles started turning
Just
over?
bottles just started broke, just filling out the counter every fucking way. And excuse my language, but you know.
Okay.
But forgive me for that.
It's
But
a Jack and Fabulous show. We
yeah,
talk whatever.
it's there sometimes, keep it kind of this derogatory. But anyway, that happens and we get all suspicious, like what kind, Jamaicans already realize, wow, what kind of crosses is that? Already you're contemplating. I just say, you know what, I ain't going nowhere. Take out my jacket, clothes, everything, went upstairs, sleep in my bed. That's what about it. It wasn't have anything having a big deal that we didn't want to go or anything like that. It's just that it's a vibe.
Okay, so the entire crew did not show up. So just one person said they didn't want to go and...
No, as I'm saying, they were contemplating before.
Whether or not to go. Okay.
And then we decided we were going to go. At the point of like, we ready to go, some stuff started happening. are saying we're not gonna go.
But what stuff? You only talking about the bottle falling on
Exactly,
the
the
table.
bottle does fall off the damn thing.
And what else? They would cause you not to go.
And then the camera guys, you know, I tell you the truth, I didn't even know the real issue with the camera guys. It just survived. It just survived. And, they were contemplating to go in, you know, because let me tell you the truth, we were here. These guys went home. The camera guys, photographer, they went home. They changed and came back dressed. So we are all dressed.
Okay.
So it's not like we wasn't planning on going or we was, you know what I'm saying? We were all dressed, ready to roll.
Well, maybe if you guys had come out that night,
Oh yeah.
the producer would have probably slept in late and wouldn't have to do that take. And you wouldn't be hurt right now.
Don't say that.
I'm blaming you.
You're blaming me.
Yeah.
Oh damn.
You're not bringing him out there.
I corrupt the whole scene.
You
Right?
sure do. That's your name. Anyway, though, I thank you for stopping by the Jackie Fabulous show. It was nice talking to you, and I hope everything worked out well for you guys. And Mr. Warmington, I know you'll feel better soon because you guys are very supportive of him and of the movie and his vision for what he wants to do.
Well, everything gonna work out. We have confidence in that. You know what I'm saying? We're not hoping no more. Hope is over. We're gonna do what we gotta do.
Okay.
You know?
I'm glad you guys
And
are doing
it's
that.
nice being on your show again, Jackie.
You're welcome.
You know, I always big up ICTV. You know, I love coming on ICTV, talk my little piece. Sit with the most beautiful, fabulous Jackie Fabulous.
But of course.
See that?
Thank you.
Alright. Big up all of the illegal activity crew. Good.